Okay, we've just previously looked at the 4 different types of jabs. What we're going to look at now is the right cross. For those who can remember that far back, the Kronk boxing team were renowned for the amount of fighters who used the right cross, especially Thomas Hearns, and how the KOs that they used or that was actually done by the right cross. I myself, the right cross wasn't my most favourite of punches, but having lived and trained out of Detroit, I became quite a good user of my right hand, but it was my major weapon. However, I was trained in using it and how to throw it the way they threw it back then in Detroit. One of the first subtle things about the right cross that we've got to first look at is that usually we're taught throwing the right cross, typical ABA boxing, even though I wasn't coached that much in the ABA boxing myself, yeah? Now, however, what I want to do now is say, well, the way I was taught to throw it within Detroit, yeah, got this. But what I want to watch is, in the glove, you ain't going to see this. It's how I hold my hand in the glove. Slight twist. So my glove, and my right hand is like this in my glove, which you don't see. However, as the punch lands, because of the angle I had my fist at, it's like a perfect right through shot. Remembering, twist, come through, my heel's coming up from the floor, my hips coming through, my right shoulder's coming through, and at the last second, there's a linear straight lock right down. So remembering, what was the technique they had in Detroit for taking out so many fighters with their right cross? Well, 1, how do I hold my fist in my glove? You ain't going to see that as the audience. 2, as that shot comes out, my heel, my shoulder, coming right through, so I'm pushing right from the floor. So that right cross now, I'm rooted to the floor, right through, my shoulder to my fist. Back. Notice, angle. My heel now is coming up, showing a connection to the floor. Shoulder through, last second. All right, so what we're used to seeing, yeah? Because usually the right cross will come behind your jab, which is how we throw this. However, within this right cross, what we're talking about is, here, I've twisted my fist in the glove. So I'm doing my usual thing, setting up my opponent there, right through, my shoulder, my heels come up, right through there. Please note, my shoulders have come right through. They've not stayed there, but look at that distance. So I'm wanting to, my heel, and not my shoulder, how my shoulders come right through. There. Oops, sorry. My bad. Sorry. There. We're working on the right cross, and note my right hand here, because this is where I'm keeping my opponent busy. And this is where, if you notice, I've now twisted my fist to there. Back foot is alive because it's connected to my hip.